Well, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed creating these dolls. I cried, especially with the Whitney Houston doll. I really cried in honor of Roger and Hammerstein's 25th anniversary of Cinderella. 25 years, y'all, since Cinderella was broadcasted on television. They're having a reunion special this August the 23rd, and I had to do a DIY on these dolls on Cinderella, and they should have Mattel should or Disney should have done dolls for this movie because this was an excellent movie. So rest in peace, Whitney Houston. We love and miss you. And Brandy, thank you for your iconic performance of Cinderella. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave in the comments down below. Did you enjoy this video? And whatever ideas or doll videos would you like me to do? Leave in the comments down below. I'll be back. Bye.